Hey, Glue Troopers, Max and Max's Models here, your favorite micro-influencer. And I just thought I'd give you a quick update before the wife and I run out and do things today. I don't know when I'll get out to the Tarbis to start working. Hopefully mid-afternoon. Anyway, it's kind of grungy and rainy here, so not feeling the vibe. But that aside, I wanted to let you know I'm adding a couple of kits to the builds I'm doing right now, including the Bondi Aero Subaru. We'll be talking about this airplane more in the future. I've got quite a few comments on it from folks. So, okay, what the heck? We'll talk about it. I'm also adding the Beechcraft Bonanza because I'm doing that Minicraft 1/72nd scale Beech Mentor, the T-34A. As many of you know, the Beech T-34A is essentially a variant of the Bonanza. When the Navy needed a trainer, Beechcraft basically took the Bonanza, put the straight tail of a B-95 Travel Air on it, and gave it a military-style cockpit. And it is a great airplane. I've flown one, probably the most fun I've ever had in an airplane. So I thought the Bonanza, which is also 1/72nd scale, and the Mentor would go nicely with one another. I'll get in more detail about these kits, of course, once I get going. But I just thought I would put that out there real quick. These will go out to the shed with me later today. I also want to thank Eric at Celebrating Vintage Model Kits. He sent me some information on some Johnny Quest kits that were out there. Although, generally speaking, folks don't really seem to be too interested in that as a kit model franchise. All right, guys, that's just a quick note for this morning. You take care of yourselves, and as always, model on.